Damn, look, those horses are standing still too. Boy, this is the shtick that keeps on shticking, huh? What's up? If you're new to my channel, it's called Gears a Snore, and I make that content that's guaranteed to put your ass to sleep. Oh, the rain finally stopped. It's 50-something degrees. I'm like, screw it, it's time. It's time for the Otter Hole Road ride in Bloomingdale. Excuse me. This is a very nice road, and if you follow it the right way, you can take it to Monksville. And who doesn't love Monksville, huh? Bloomingdale in itself is a very scenic town. It kind of sits at the bottom of some mountains, and lots of nice riding here, and you're a second away from West Milford and Hewitt, and it's lots of nice riding. It's like I said, it's in the 50s. I got the long johns on, jacket, flannel. I don't got that Baba Ganoush face mask or whatever you call it. I'm sorry, this is Glenwild Ave, not Otter Hole. Just got the mandatory nose itch in. I came through here on my Pan America last year, and boy, oh boy, does that bike friggin' handle like an animal. It goes like an animal too. But the midlife crisis mobile here is no slouch. See if this guy's got his skull out. Yep, it's out all year. May see some people out hiking up top here. Ordered some mufflers yesterday. I was gonna have them put on at the dealer, and an unexpected bill popped up. So I'm like, oh, I better do it myself. So I ordered them myself. If you order your mufflers direct from Reinhardt and you sign up for their email list, you save $10. So I ended up saving like $75. I don't know if it ever comes out, but like the middle of these roads has like a bronze color. I wonder what the hell causes that. I know what causes it. Gingivitis and
diabetes.
I was kind of worried I wasn't going to get any saddle time in this weekend, but all in all, it turned out to be a friggin' pretty nice day. Next week I'll be taking a food ride. I'm eyeing up some places. See, the temperature's supposed to climb into the 60s Sunday, and it'll be nice. Bundle up to head out, and bundle down to strip down rather to head home. There's lots of little lakes up here and stuff. It's really a pretty scenic area. You know, it's wild. You wouldn't think you'd have riding like this lurking, you know what, 20 minutes, 25 minutes on a good day from Bergen County, but it's here. Man, oh man, I love this bike. We're about to crack 1,000 miles. I have 999 miles. I don't know if you can see that. I'll get the round of applause ready. Get ready, friends. Suspense is killing you, isn't it? It's killing me, because I have to keep taking my eyes off the road to look. are some people up here hiking. And a motorcycle. And we did it. We did it, friends. 1,000 miles on the midlife crisis mobile. I'd like to thank everybody that helped me get to this milestone. Me and the midlife crisis mobile. All episodes of the Gears of Snore show are filmed in front of a live studio audience. Yeah, there's a lake. It must be pretty wild riding up here at night. I'm gonna try and do some more of that this year. Just got to get the other lights on the front. Alright, so I just made a right on Westbrook Road here at the end of Glenwild. I'm guessing at some point it meets up with Otter Hole, another little lake. There's also some nice riding. You can run this all the way to Monksville Reservoir. There's always people there. It's a nice ride in itself. But the next video, I promise I am going to a food stop. It's just been, like I said, man, it's been friggin' raining. It's nice all week when you're at work, and then come the weekend, it was cold and raining yesterday. Another lake. This might actually be Ringwood Lake. Wonder if Spicy Johnson, the horse, is going to be out today. Plays by nobody's rules, not even his own. I don't know if I said it yet, but we picked me and other guys I see once a year, picked a travel destination this year, and we're going to West Virginia in August. Should be cool, but I think I may split that trip up into 2 days there, you know, the time there, and then 2 days back. I'm not trying to ride back on a Sunday and sit in Sunday traffic all day long. Oh, we're coming up on, are we? Wait, I could be wrong, or I could be right. Oh yeah, we'll see if Spicy's out. Don't disappoint me, Spicy. Damn, Spicy, how you gonna do me like that? Thought we were best buddies. I gave you a name and everything, you son of a bitch. First trip with the ultimate seat on here. So far, so good. I'm gonna send, at the advice of Greco, send the stock seat to Mean City Cycles and get them to do the double memory foam on it. Not a bad idea to have a backup seat. That's the one I did on my Pan America with the Harley Davidson Sundowner seats. I still have them seats. Trying to get rid of them. If you like my videos, if you'd give it the thumbs up or leave a comment, I appreciate it. What's the point of having a big gate if you don't have a fence around your house? Like, you just go around the friggin' gate. Is it a status symbol? I have a big gate and you don't. Let's do a topic for this video. I haven't done one of those in a while. Career change. I'm about to go through one now. After 25 years in the IT, I really just can't anymore, and way things are going at work, it's just, this isn't ideal. You know there's something wrong when you're just going home depressed and you don't really care about it, anything or outcomes for that matter. And yeah, it is time. Which is a real shame, because I work with at my location some of the coolest people you'll ever meet, and it's just, I feel like I'm going to be back at a therapist again if I don't get out soon. There we're here, the elusive Monksville Reservoir. So nice up here, man. But yeah, quick rip. If you're new to my channel, I drop my videos Wednesday and Friday at 3 p.m. If you'd come back next week and check out one or two, I'd appreciate it. And I thank you all for giving up your free time to watch my videos, and give it the thumbs up and leave a comment. Appreciate you guys.